that's me. Welcome to my channel again, and I'm gonna go to Cub Foods. I'll drive from here to Cub Foods, buy some things. I've been home all day. I didn't get out today. It's a Thursday night, but the weather is nice. It's not too hot right now. I hear fireworks. I think you can hear that. Well, people are still celebrating the 4th of July. Alright, smash that button, subscribe, and also watch my other videos. And click the like button, and also leave a comment on this video in particular. Alright, so hopefully you're doing well. That's annoying, the fireworks at this time, but subscribe. Alright, enjoy the journey with me going to Cub Foods. Alright, I'll also do a different video when I'm inside Cub Foods. Alright, peace. Okay, let's drive to Cub Foods here. I'll make a pit stop over at the post office. I need to send something in the mail. Yes, post office is still relevant in the 21st century, even though everything is done through email and all that stuff. But so I'll stop at the post office. It's a nice night. I mean, it's 9:15 right now, Thursday evening, July the 9th, 2020. And right now the temperature says 77. Cub Foods is only about 6 minutes drive from my house to there. It's just off Rice Street, and I'm on Rice Street here. Sometimes people change lanes without looking. It can be dangerous. As you can see, the sky is beautiful. That's north. I'm headed north, and to my left you can see the sky is orange because of the sunset. So over here, there's a lake to the left. You can't see it because the camera is mounted. But it's called Lake McCarran. We used to come there, but there was too much drama. So I decided not to come back ever again. Yeah, it was that bad. I decided never, ever, ever go back to Lake McCarran. So if you're watching this video, I won't recommend you going to Lake McCarran if you live in St. Paul or close to the Twin Cities. The people, some people who go over there, they have too much drama. Windshield is fogging because of the AC. So I'm at Cub Foods here. As you can see, that's Cub Food right there. And parking lot is bumpy here. So I'm gonna have another video from inside Cub. I'm just buying several things, not too much shopping. All right, thank you people for watching. Peace out.